With the powerful impact of game-based learning, the popularity of the Training Arcade platform.
Program systems override. Status update powering up. Loading the Training Arcade current status updates. In the last 12 months, over 500,000 employees use the Training Arcade platform, equaling a total growth increase of 287% over last year. Users and sessions increased 100% from last quarter. Total gameplay time is on target to be 9.2 million minutes this year. And the most popular game continues to be the engaging, addicting, in a good way, Jump. This has been the Training Arcade Q2 status update, returning to regular programming.
While capturing hearts and engaging minds, it's no wonder why the popularity of the Training Arcade just keeps growing.